You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's remove the You May Like video suggestions from your TikTok feed. Open the TikTok app and go to your main For You page. Find one of the suggested videos labeled You May Like at the top. Press and hold on that video until a menu pops up. In this menu, look for and select the option that says Not Interested. Tap it to tell TikTok you don't like this suggestion. You should see fewer of these specific recommended clips over time. For a more complete fix, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu in the top corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then choose Content Preferences. Tap on Interests and you can review topics TikTok thinks you like. You can deselect many. Also, go back and tap liked videos in your settings to manage your past likes, as these influence suggestions. Clearing your watch history in the watch history section can also help reset recommendations. Remember, this reduces but may not completely eliminate all suggested content. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.